start. So it's not situation that applies to you. Okay, UCI, unique client identifier, you'll have it definitely in all communication. I'm just putting sample. Language of correspondence. Date you became a PR in Canada. Let's say last year you became. See the format of the date. Make sure you enter based on that. Place you become PR. So let's say you become Ontario. If you have a photocopy or something, you'll definitely have this information there. Save. Continue. Personal detail. Family name, given name. Let's say sample. I'm not gonna submit this application. The current name, if different from above, so let's say it was always the same. Physical characteristic, you let's say male, eye color, let's say black, height in centimeter, let's say 175, date of birth, let's say born in 1990. Oh, I'm sorry. Country of territory of birth, India. Country is your citizenship. Let's say you are an Indian national. If you have more than one country territory, list them here. Residential address. City, postal code, content. Current mailing address if different, it's not different. Phone number, Canada, US. I mean, in sample case, if you have definitely provided in phone number. Alternative phone number, it's not mandatory, but why not provide? Like us to contact us using this account, I select yes. If you put no, then they will ask you to put the email address. Current marital address, marital status, I select single. It seems I have missed one mandatory field or more, that's why I'm not seeing this. Oh, yeah. Yes. Have you ever been issued a removal order from Canada? I said no. Were issued you an Indian security report? No. Have you ever lost your status as a PR of Canada? I said no. Said appeal to the immigration department. So read and understand all the questions carefully. And then, have you ever been issued one of the travel document, PR travel document? Yeah, I said continue. Do it as per your case. Personal history. Okay. List your address inside or outside Canada. Your past 5 years, if you became less than 5 years, your address is history since becoming a PR. Okay. So all for in this case, since becoming a PR, okay. So let's say apartment number, city, let's say whatever it is, province, Ontario, country. Uh, Next is work and education inside. So for past 5 years, or if you become PR less than 5 years, you work as a history since you become a PR. Okay. So in this case, this guy has become from this state, name of employee. Let's say he works as ABC IT activity, uh, activity applies to volunteering, homemaker, unemployed. Okay, dad employed. Okay, I can say employed. city, let's say Toronto. Country, I'm still supposed to do here after I fill all the fields. Go there, click on this plus, and then click on save table. This is very important. Same thing I need to do here also. Okay, both are saved. Then click save and continue. Have you traveled inside Canada in the past 5 years? I select no, but answer as per your own case. Humanitarian compassionate, so not applicable in our case. If you're okay, completed section. If you are applying because of a lost, stolen, damaged, or never received PR card, okay, PR card number, date of issue. Say it was issued in Jan 10, was stolen or lost, whatever. Let's say it was issued on yesterday. Lost. I'm sorry, lost yesterday. Okay. Provide full details. Provide what you have done to locate it, including police complaint that you have filed. You can position, if you ever get the position of your PR card, are you ready to destroy? Yes.